Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a prize that I won from KaTHie World and Friends. And it's in here. Oh boy, there's a lot in here. I have no idea what I won, so we're going to see. It was when Laura was on there, Barrington, Dean Peters, and KaTHie herself. This is big. Ooh. Oh, look at these red. Ooh, I see clusters in the making. Real pretty. Thanks, KaTHie. There's a whole bunch. I got like this flower on too. I could do something with just that. Be a pretty belly band. So there's a whole bunch of those. I ain't even counting them. Just stacking them. And then got another little bag. Got this piece of lace. Ooh. And that one, nice. Ooh. And we got this one. Ooh, that's pretty. Roses. It looks good together. I could use them together if I made something. We have this one. Little roses on that. Oops, sorry. Pretty. Different type of materials. Kind of, this one's not, I don't know if it's silk. It feels more silkier than this one. I don't know my difference from material. And we have this one. Very pretty. It's got like butterflies and these type of flowers. Kind of checkered. That's kind of cool, or how you can see through it. That's cool. And we have this bag. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Got all that nice and sparkle on there. And then we got this one. That's pretty too. Thank you so much, KaTHie. I didn't expect... Okay, I knew I was getting a prize. I didn't know what to expect, you know. This was an awesome prize, so cool. Thank you so much. I think I missed them this past week. Oh, look at that lace. Pretty. We got a little flower, some pearls. Oh, and then there's more than one in there. Oh, there's two. I think she made them. Pretty them are. Oh, that's pretty. And then we have, I wonder if this is where I got this stuff. This and this. Where to go? cut back here. Oh, it's in the bag. Nope, it's right here. This one. Because I love this because I can cut it the size I want. And I couldn't remember where I found it or who I got it from. And now I see this. I'm thinking maybe that's where I got it from, was from you. Because I recognize this. And I have some like that before. I'm almost out of it, matter of fact. So this is cool. Prize. There, I keep stacking up. And we have this right here. I love the little bag. Look at that. So pretty. And let's see. Look at that bag. Ooh. It's like felt. Look at this. Them roses. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nice. I love that feel. We got 2 of them. You can sit there patiently and cut that off somehow. That's pretty. My aunt used to have a couch that was all black with roses like that. And then we have some black lace. And more black lace. Oh, it's lace, but it's a good portion. Oop. That's cool. Then we have a little black felt. And ooh, look at. And this one. Oh. And we got this chunk of material. And that's my prize from KaTHie World and Friends. Thank you so much, KaTHie. I love my prize. Well needed. Will be well loved. There we go. I forgot what I was going to say. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Thank you so much, KaTHie.